Hello, working as an assistant professor in physics in Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss some topics regarding metallic glasses, the introduction about metallic glasses, preparation, properties and applications. So what are metallic glasses? Metallic glasses in the year 1970, it was discovered by scientists and they are metal alloys having the properties of metals and glasses. A glass is an amorphous, brittle and transparent solid and metals are malleable, ductile and exhibit crystalline properties. Metallic glasses have the properties of ductility, malleability and brittleness. They are amorphous and opaque. Examples are alloys that consist of iron, nickel, aluminium, cobalt, chromium and copper as base metals mixed with boron, carbon, silicon, phosphorus, nitrogen, germanium and arsenic. The figure depicts some arrangement of atoms in crystalline and amorphous structures. In crystalline structure, all the atoms are regularly arranged with equal distances and equal angular spacing or orientation between them. Whereas in amorphous structures, the atomic arrangement is not regular. The atoms are arranged at random. So such substances where the material has disordered arrangement of atoms is called an amorphous material. Let us see the properties of crystal and amorphous materials. Crystals. The atoms and molecules have a long range orderly arrangement, but in amorphous materials have disordered arrangement of atoms and molecules. The properties of crystals depend on direction. Hence it is known as anisotropic solids. The properties of amorphous materials does not depend on direction and hence it is known as isotropic materials. Crystals are transparent in nature, whereas amorphous materials are opaque in nature. Crystals are malleable and ductile, and this amorphous materials are brittle and malleable. Example for crystals are all the metals and amorphous materials. The best example is glasses. Comparison of metals, glasses and metallic glass. Metals are atoms and molecules have long range orderly arrangement. In glasses, the materials have disordered arrangement of atoms and molecules, and in metallic glasses have a short range but orderly arrangement of atoms and molecules. Properties of crystals depend on direction and hence they are called anisotropic crystals. In glasses, properties of amorphous materials will not depend on direction and hence it is known as isotropic materials. And metallic glasses have direction independent properties. Metals are transparent in nature and they are opaque in nature, that is, and metallic glasses examples are their vitralloy, which is malleable and less brittle. Example, vitralloy. Properties of metallic glasses. Mechanical properties. The absence of grain boundaries, the weak spots of crystalline materials leads to better resistance to wear and corrosion. Amorphous metals are also much tougher and less brittle than oxide glasses and ceramics. The strength of the material is twice greater than that of stainless steel but light in weight. The filaments of metallic glasses are stiffer and stronger and they are malleable and ductile and its is very high. The thermal properties. Thermal conductivity of amorphous materials is lower than that of crystals. One modern amorphous metal known as vitralloy has a tensile strength that is almost twice that of high-grade titanium. Electrical properties. The electrical properties of metallic glasses depend on composition and temperature. The resistivity of the metallic glasses is in the order of 100 microohm centimeter. This high electrical resistivity leads to low eddy current loss. Properties of metallic glasses. Next we'll see about magnetic properties. The alloys of boron, silicon, phosphorus and other glass forms with the magnetic metals are magnetic with low coercivity and high electrical resistance. The high resistance leads to low losses by eddy currents when subjected to alternating magnetic field, a property useful for manufacturing of transformer magnetic cores. Metal glasses and metalloid metallic glasses are the two types of metallic glasses. Let us see what is a metallic glass. They are a combination of metals. The best glass forming alloys are based on zirconium and palladium. Metalloid metallic glasses are super cooled by a fast spinning wheel, and this is an alloy of iron, nickel, phosphorus and boron. So below is diagram depicts the preparation of metallic glasses. Metallic glasses can be prepared by melt spinning technique, which is one of the rapid quenching technique. Quenching means sudden cooling or rapid cooling, or cooling to a very high temperature of the order of 2 into 10 power 6 degree Celsius per 10 power 6 degrees Celsius. First, the metals from which the metallic glasses are to be formed or put inside a refractory tube, and they are heated by switching on an induction heater, which heats the metals to a molten alloy. Then this molten alloy can be made to eject out of this refractory tube through a nozzle, and it is made to fall on a rotating roller, which is then quenched so that a glassy alloy ribbon can be formed out of the rotating wheel. Applications of metallic glasses. Nanolithography. Nanolithography refers to the fabrication of nanometer scale structures, meaning patterns with at least one lateral dimension between the size of an individual atom and approximately 100 nanometer. Titanium, copper, palladium, zirconium is a metallic glass which is believed to be non-carcinogenic and is about 3 times stronger than titanium, and its elastic modulus nearly matches that of bones. It has a high wear resistance and does not produce abrasion powder. And another metallic glass, which is an alloy of magnesium, zinc, calcium, rapidly cooled to achieve amorphous structure, is being investigated as a biomaterial for implantation into bones as screws, pins or plates to fix fractures. Because of its superior magnetic properties, these metallic glasses are used in power transformers. Then, as they possess good mechanical properties, the filaments of metallic glasses can be used as low-cost, high-performance reinforcing elements in concrete, plastic, or rubber. The property of good strength, ductility, and malleability leads to make razor blades and different types of springs. Many metallic glasses based on titanium, niobium have been found to have superconducting property. They can be used to produce high magnetic fields and magnetic levitation effect. They are not affected by irradiation, hence they are used for containers in the disposal of radioactive wastes. They can be used in marine cables and chemical filters. Thank you all for your patient listening.